The Factory 5 Cobra is a replica of the iconic Shelby Cobra, a sports car that was produced in the 1960s. The Factory 5 Cobra is designed and manufactured by Factory 5 Racing, a company based in Wareham, Massachusetts. The story of the Factory 5 Cobra begins in the 1990s when Dave Smith, the founder of Factory 5 Racing, started building his own replica of the Shelby Cobra. Smith was a car enthusiast and a skilled fabricator, and he was determined to create a replica of the Cobra that was both accurate and affordable. After completing his own replica, Smith decided to start a business building Cobra replicas for other enthusiasts. He founded Factory 5 Racing in 1995 and began producing kits that allowed customers to build their own Cobra replicas. The Factory 5 Cobra is designed to be a faithful replica of the original Shelby Cobra with a similar chassis, body, and suspension. However, the Factory 5 Cobra also incorporates modern materials and technology, such as a stronger and lighter chassis and a more powerful engine. One of the key features of the Factory 5 Cobra is its kit car design. The company provides customers with a comprehensive kit that includes everything needed to build the car, including the chassis, body panels, suspension, and engine. Customers can then assemble the car themselves using a combination of factory-supplied components and their own labor. Over the years, the Factory 5 Cobra has become one of the most popular and respected replica cars on the market. The company has sold thousands of kits to customers around the world, and the car has been featured in numerous publications and television shows. In addition to the standard Cobra replica, Factory 5 Racing also offers a number of variations and upgrades, including a racing version of the car and a more luxurious street version. The company also provides a range of support services, including technical assistance and part sales, to help customers build and maintain their cars. Today, the Factory 5 Cobra is recognized as one of the most authentic and affordable replica cars on the market. With its combination of classic styling, modern performance, and DIY kit car design, the Factory 5 Cobra has become a favorite among car enthusiasts and Cobra fans around the world.